Greetings, Mark Byrne here. We're going to be looking at how we can convert this spreadsheet here into Google Sheet. Yes, very important. How we're going to do that. All right. If you notice, we don't have the Google Sheet downloaded right here, so I want to bring up the browser. Now bring up the browser, which is Google Chrome. But if you notice right here, I already sign in, so you have to sign in. If you don't sign in, if I want to click, it's going to take you directly to it. So I'm going to click on this 9 little dot right here. And then what I want to look for is Google Drive right here. So I'm going to click on this drive right here. And when I click on this drive, this is what eventually it look like, right? So I want to focus right here upon home, right? And if you notice right up here, definitely, or you wanted to convert it, if you notice right here, it's a new, right here it's a drive. So I want to focus on the word new. We want to click on the word new, and then right here is upload file. So I want to click on that. So that itself will take you directly to the desktop right here. You notice this is safe. You want to convert it up. You want to click on this first, highlight it, click on word open. Now when you click on word open, alright, it will show you, alright, to replace in the existing one. Alright, so one was actually there before, so we're going to replace that one. Alright, then as soon as that, you're going to come right here to recent. You want to click on recent. Alright, and if you notice, right here, it upload, but what? It's still in Sheet. So if you wanted to get it into Google Sheet, you have to come all the way here to settings. Then you come right here, so again, I click on your settings. So now let's click on settings, you're gonna scroll up right here. You notice it's a convert upload. So you're gonna click right here, so I like that. Alright, then you're gonna go back. You're gonna click right here on new. And you click on new, you're gonna come right here, file upload. Then you're gonna take it to the desktop. We're gonna click it now. Then I click on open. Alright, you notice over here it's showing. So alright, so recent. If you notice right here, notice is convert. Now this is for the first one. Right? If you notice right here, definitely it's very important right there. So this is where you actually convert up this particular Excel right to spreadsheet. So very important. So hope you have learned something from this video. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.